Paul from Tesla Owners US, and today we are replacing this lower seat cover or lower seat protection there. It's actually a plastic part, and you know it's gonna stick here and here and in multiple places, and there are something for screws and so on. And you'll be with us and you see how that works. So after 12 years that can fail. It's a plastic piece, and we're gonna do that together.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
First of all, when you see that here, you see here, that broke off as well, or I made it break off, because there's a screw from the other side. It goes through the seat and it touches here and it drills into the plastic. So that's what I have taken off or broke off, because I don't need that part anyway. And then the second one is this one broke off as well, and that looks like this here. Yeah, so that broke as well. This is actually the main part what broke off. This is connected with the screw from here. You can see it here, also from the back side through here. Now this really does not have a really firm connection, so what I had to do for that is I used this piece, actually that splits, and I actually heated that up and put it in here on that side, as you can see. So now this is actually how it's supposed to be. You have to make it with brass or any metal to have a clamp in here which is expanding, and not only those plastic pieces here. So then you have to take the clips off here. They are on those from the wire harnesses, and then you have to do the controls, take them off. This is the TT15 torque, all of these ones, and you have to rebuild them into the other side as well. So then you have the whole assembly ready. You can take the screw from here and behind, screw it in here, and then the screw from here behind, which is actually, I took a new one, this long one here, and connect it with this one. Actually it should be the other way around, like this. And then this one is also expanding, and this one will last. So I had to adjust it a little bit. Actually took the lower portion of this off. This is an expandable piece. Then when it screws in, it expands to the outside, and it's tight in there. So the first thing what we have to do is we are taking with the Torx 15, taking the controls off and rebuild them to the new piece. Yep, let's do it now. Guys, it could be that I make this piece a little faster. So, okay, let's get the torque first. Okay, here's the Torx 15. Let's start with this. Yep, heads off. Next piece. Okay. Und das ist, glaube ich, der Lambert Control. Also für den Rücken. Ja, super. So. Und das Teil ist ab. Und jetzt kommt das neue Teil dran. So, this tile is off, and now we put the new piece on. Yes. Okay, put the clips on. Okay, and the seat controller. Okay, there comes. Yep. Okay. Now we can connect it from the rear. So basically like this. And now you have to take basically this screw from here, from the rear, from here through here. Yeah, that's not that easy, but you figure it out. And then the other screw here, from here, in the rear there, through there. So, but that's will be a whole bunch of work with this. The controller should work. Oh. Yeah, let me check if the controllers work first, and then we can figure that out. Guys, before you attach it, watch out that the seat controller is still working. Huh? Yeah, it didn't work. First, what's happening? So I had it to work. The car needs to be on probably. Yeah, folks, that was it. And I think the part number is AG128100. PP is polypropylene. That should be this. Where is it? This part number here. And yeah, broken off here, broken off here. This was my intention. This was somehow. And yeah, everything built, everything working. Up front, Lombard control is working. Cool. That's it. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you can use this instruction for your repair of your Model S. Talk to you next time. Bye bye.